Hi friends! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am finally getting around to doing a makeup tutorial on the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette. Basically, I'm on the Bperfect Cosmetics PR list, so they did send me the PR box and all the other products. And I also have a sponsor for today's video. So today's sponsor is VIIcode. So I'm just going to be talking to you about these under eye patches from them that I was kind of gifted. I have been using these for a week and a half now. I've actually been really loving these, and after this video, there's only one left. Raging. I just know I really do actually enjoy using under eye masks, especially whenever I'm doing my makeup. If I'm doing a particular eye makeup look, I will apply a set of under eye masks just to kind of like hydrate that area while I'm doing my eyeshadow. Just a wee bit about the eye masks before I get started. So these are just the O2M Oxygen under eye masks. That's just what they look like. They just come in a wee sachet like that, and then you just rip off the top. But one thing I like about these ones is, you know, that we get the other under eye patches where they're kind of like slippery and slimy because they do come in a slight serum like residue, let's just say. Well, these are completely dry. So on this side here, I'm not too sure if you can see that or not, but it's kind of like a fabric. There's obviously at this side here, so this is the side that you peel off. It's so cool. Once you peel this off, it just reveals the gel. The gel in these is honestly, it's so nice, so cooling. It's the gel. I wonder if I zoom these in, will you be able to see this? They are honestly so cool. Can you see like the jelliness? The jelliness, what even? But they feel so good. I would say these would even feel even nicer if you even put these in the fridge before using them. So they're basically just to reduce dark circles and puffiness. Oxygen is essential for the formation of new cells. The eye patches allows for oxygen flow during the entire time you're wearing it, and it promotes healthy cell growth and makes your skin more radiant and glowing. We find the perfect mix of natural ingredients like essential vitamins, herbs, antioxidants, proteins, peptides and other fatty acids to soothe and calm the eye area without causing any itchiness or irritation. I have to say, like, my under eyes do look very nice after using these wee under eye patches. They definitely do. They don't leave like a residue obviously, but they do leave like a glow. Like, you can definitely see or notice the difference on my skin where I've had the patches and where I haven't, if that makes sense. There's more of like a radiant glow to my skin around my under eyes, so it definitely does make my under eyes look more radiant. Even whenever I'm sitting watching a movie or something, I will literally just sit and rub around the outline of them because the gel has kind of like a nice cooling effect to it. Well, that's how I can feel it anyway. I don't know if they claimed that or not, but it just feels so cooling and soothing on the under eyes. Honestly, I've never actually tried any eye patches like this. The only downside I would say is you don't get enough in the packet. I don't know if I mentioned you get 6 in a packet. I'm going to leave them eye patches on and get started on my makeup. As I was saying, I'm going to be using the Bperfect Cosmetics and Carnival palette. This is in collaboration with Stacey and it's the Love Tahiti palette. So as I was saying, I got the PR package. So I also got highlighters, the high shine glosses. I also got a pair of false lashes as well. I'm sure all of you have seen what this palette looks like by now, but that's the palette there. It's definitely an absolutely stunning palette. I'm first going to prime my lids. I'm going to be using the P. Louise eye base. I think I have a wee bit of a fair idea what I'm wanting to do on my eyes today. I'm definitely wanting to focus more on the blues and the greens. I love those colours. See these shades here? See pukey greens? Love them. So I think, yeah, I think I'm going to start with this shade first of all. I'm just going to be popping this just in my crease. Just above my lid, really. Does that make sense? Just in that C shape. Just right round. So I also did forget to mention there that I will have these eye patches and everything linked and listed down below in the description box if you want to go and check them out. And if you would just want to read into more about them yourself, because there is so much online about them that, if I'm being honest, I'm not going to sit here and bore you. But they're honestly the nicest under eye patches I've used in such a long time. I'm just going to start blending that line a wee bit. There we go. And then I'm going to go into this shade here, Tropics. So I'm just going to start trying to blend more of that blue out with this green. And just kind of like merge those two shades together really. Just kind of following in the exact same shape as the blue shade. I love those colours. Yeah, they're really nice colours actually. And then I'm going to take this shade here, Key Lime. And then with this shade, I'm going to go 50-50. So I'm going to go half on the green shade that I already placed down and then half on the lid. And then again, just following that shape the whole way around. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back through the colours, because as you apply the colours and you blend and blend, you kind of lose the intensity of the previous colours that you use. So I'm going to go back down my brushes, back down the shades and re-intensify those shades. So back into that second brush that we used and the second shade, which was Tropics. And I'm just going to go back in and, as I say, just re-intensify those shades. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into that blue shade, and I'm actually going to pack that all over the lid. I'm also going to be patting this on right up to that crease. I'm going to try and find a wee blending brush. Oh, this is a Detail Diffuse Crease Brush from Sigma. And I'm just going to start blending at that blue shade. And then I'm just going to go back and forth between the brushes and them shades just to make sure that I get blend completely perfected. So I have here the BH Cosmetics Eyelights in the shade Chill Pill. So, oh, that's so nice. Or I have the Lottie London Eye Foil. This is just a metallic eyeshadow, like so, and this is in the shade Fire. That one there is from Lottie London, and then that one is the BH Cosmetics. I think I might just go for the BH Cosmetics one. I think I'm actually just going to apply it to the lid first of all, and then just blend it out. Doesn't need to be too neat. I'm also going to bring it up to the crease slightly. I'm going to take the Lottie London eye foil and I'm actually just going to put it up the centre. And just press that up the centre. Ah, yes! Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go off camera, do my base makeup, and then we will come back and finish off the eyes. Although I am pretty happy with what we have going on here, but I'm kind of wanting to extend it out a bit more, a wee bit more, apply some liner, lashes, all that good stuff, lower lash line, everything else. And I also think I'm going to take these off now. Honestly do check these out down below in the description box. They feel so cool. I'm such a weirdo. I get so excited over like the smallest things, but I'm not even too sure if he's able to see or not, but like I can just like feel the difference between my under eyes and like the rest of my skin. The skin just feels so much more plump and hydrated and moisturized, and just overall just nice and more nourished. Obviously I have like a wee bit of fallout here or anything, so you can't probably see that much. My under eyes probably does look a wee bit untidy actually. Yeah, they just feel so good and so nice. I will always love under eye patches for makeup prep and just as a wee extra step in your skincare routine. Okay guys, so I just went off camera there and done my base makeup, lips, and I just done my other eye off camera as well, so I'm just gonna go and start that now. So I'm just gonna take like a wee flat brush like a wee flat packing brush, you can kind of blend that too. And I'm gonna go into the palette again. Do you know what, I'm actually just gonna use the exact same shades that I used in the top of the lid. So first off, just gonna take the black from the palette, so I'm just gonna be putting this blue shade just quite tight to the lower lash line, just along that lower lash line, kind of packing on and blending as I go. Then also back into the second brush that we used and that second shade, also the green shade, tap off the excess, and again I'm just roughly just gonna blend that along the lower lash line. And then that last brush and the key lime shade, and also underneath, and I'm also going to bring that right out. I'm also going to take that first brush I'm just going to keep on going in with this brush here and just a wee dollop of the key lime, and I'm just going to really try and extend that out. I'm kind of having my hair down like this today, so it doesn't really matter how far I bring it out, if I'm really being honest. And back to that second brush, this one here, no more product because as you can see there's plenty of product already on it. Do you know what, I actually think I want to put something else on the lid. What do you think? Not that you can answer me. I'm gonna try and look for more glitter or more sun. I'm pretty sure you could probably just leave it like this if you really wanted to. Which I kind of hope that I don't mess it up by doing like an extra step. I have the Stargazer glitter shaker in hologram. It's just like a holographic glitter, but it's there's a lot of like blue reflectives in it. Blue reflectives, does that even make sense? So I'm going to take a wee bit of the Helen E Clear Shine Gel. It's just like a wee pigment and glitter glue. I'm literally just wanting the tiniest wee bit. Okay guys, so this completes this video and this tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching, and also another massive thank you to VIIcode for sponsoring the first portion of this video. Thank you so much, it means so much to me. All the products that I used in this video will be listed and linked down below as well in the description box, along with my Snapchat, Instagram and my Twitter, so don't forget to go and follow me on all of those. Other than that guys, again, thank you all so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.